The Little Book That Makes You Rich by Louis Navellier. Welcome to yourbooksummary.com. Watch out for pitfalls on Wall Street. Be cautious of companies that manipulate numbers to make themselves look better. Fraudulent financial statements, like the pooling of interest accounting used by companies such as WorldCom, can be misleading. Always check margins, equity return, and cash flow to spot red flags. Earnings management is another common issue. Companies may manipulate financial reports to show false growth or stability. They may list one-time charges as continuing expenses or report extraordinary income as ordinary. Be sure to look out for companies that use questionable accounting practices to paint a rosier picture of their financial health. Executive options can also be misleading. Some companies give executives stock options to avoid salary restrictions. Backdating options to when stock prices were low can lead to executives making more money than they deserve. Be wary of companies that use creative compensation methods to benefit top management at the expense of shareholders. Sales pitches are prevalent on Wall Street. Hype and marketing play a big role in convincing investors to buy stocks, bonds, and funds. Private equity funds and commodity funds are recent examples of highly hyped investments. To protect yourself from falling for sales tactics, rely on disciplined quantitative analysis rather than flashy sales pitches. I hope you found the information about The Little Book That Makes You Rich by Louis Navellier. If you're interested in learning more about the book, stay tuned for the next part of this series where we'll dive into the next section. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.